Hi everyone, well my dear friends, today you will learn the use of there is and there are. The first form we will learn obviously is the affirmative form. After we will practice the negative and at the end we will practice the interrogative. Let's start with the affirmative. Example number 1. There is a dog on the box. Okay, in this example we can see there is. What is the meaning of there is in Spanish? There is I. That is the translation for there is I. Okay, so let's check example number 2. There is a girl in front of the box. There is a girl in front of the box. Number 3. There is a book on the table. There is a book on the table. Next example. There is a dog behind the box. There is a dog behind the box. Now we will check the negative form. Okay? In the negative form, we use there isn't, and obviously for the plural, there aren't. For singular, there isn't. For plural, there aren't. Let's start with the examples. There isn't is equal to no hay, no existe in singular, and there aren't is no hay, no existen in plural. Let's go on. There isn't a bird on the box. There isn't a bird on the box. Okay, so if we translate there isn't, the translation is no hay. That's it. Okay? And the sentence is negative because obviously this is not a bird. This is a dog. Okay? So there isn't a bird on the box. Let's go on. There isn't a boy in front of the box. There isn't a boy in front of the box. Okay? Next example. There isn't a TV on the table. There isn't a TV on the table. There isn't a cat behind the box. Sorry. There isn't a cat behind the box. Now we will check the interrogative form. Is there and are there? Interrogative. Let's continue. Is there, is, I, or existe? In singular, interrogative, and are there, I, existen? In plural, interrogative. Example 1. Are there oranges in the box? Are there oranges in the box? Well, my dear friends, this is a question, so we have to answer. Let's answer this question. Yes, there are. Yes, there are. Okay. Example 2. Are there students in the classroom? Are there students in the classroom? No, there aren't. Number 3. Is there a red car at the parking lot? Is there a red car at the parking lot? Yes, there is. Yes, there is. Is there a book on the table? Is there a book on the table? No, there isn't. No, there isn't. Muy bien amigos, y esto fue todo lo que vemos en esta ocasión con el tema de there is y there are, que como ustedes ya saben, significa hay, there is para singular, there are para plural, y ya vimos pues la forma afirmativa, la forma negativa y la forma interrogativa. Recuerden también ver bien cómo es que tienes que contestar cuando usas la forma interrogativa. ¿Ok? Cualquier duda ya saben, déjenme sus comentarios, suscríbanse, compartan, comenten y nos vemos en el siguiente video. No olvides darle clic aquí arriba. Hasta la vista.